Let's hide some of my friends. Okay, she's over on the trampoline over there. Let's go over here. I think I'm gonna hide like one. Like, oh, not the unicorn. I'm gonna hit that right there. I think I'm gonna hide this like here. That's a good place for it. Wait, come over. She's still not looking. She's good. She's good. She's still not looking. I think I want to hide a puppet like in a tree. And I have this soccer ball. So I'm gonna trade this. Not trade. I'm gonna hide this soccer ball right here. So it's covered. What would fly away? That's a good place. Okay, let's go back and tell her that I'm gonna hide it. Awesome. Let's go back. I'm done. I'm coming.
How you like that?
Wait, there's some more.
No, they're in my pocket. Go underneath the blanket. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna hide them. I think I'm gonna put this one there. Put this Okay, I'm done.
Stand up and then I'll do rock, paper, scissors to who wants to hide it first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you're gonna go first.
Alright.
How you like that? Moving over.
So, just for people to know, I'm getting mine are hidden like over there, and then hers are hidden like over there. So let's just, yeah, mine are like hidden like there and there and there, and then hers are like hidden over there. So we have divided each side. I feel like a good place to hide a fidget. They're not over here, I guess. It's not a fidget. I see something, guys! Hey! Alright. Okay, we put it back on, guys. Okay, we only get to help each other for the first time. So let's keep looking. This is such a good spot. This is such a good spot. From no way. Yeah, I got it in. Alright, let's go. I could barely see this. I can't barely see this. There's like 5 more. There's like 2 more things I think I need to find. This is such a good fight. It's a good. That's so smart. The needle like rests on the trailer.
Double dust.
Oh yes, it can. Wait. Is that a fidget? Oh my gosh, guys! It's a butterfly swimming pool. It must fly back. Fly, 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 fly. Okay, now you have to go look. My turn. It's jiggling too much. They lost jiggalitas. I'm going. I'll put them back after. Oh my god. How many did I choose? Okay. Feel like they'd be over by the rocks. Oh my god. I found this like ball. Is it somewhere in the area? Okay. So I check every single rock in the trees. Oh, message from my friends. No headlines over here. Yeah? Yeah. What's the other one? Oh, my unicorn poppet. Get the fart, I'm so bad. Oh my gosh, it's in the tree. Okay, I have 3 of them, and then I'm gonna go get my other, like the blue one. Do we have a marble mesh, an acupuncture ring, a green monkey noodle, a green poppet? Kind of going for a green theme.
I'm trying to go for stuff that would be hard to find. Oh, and this one, other thing.
Okay, mostly green stuff.
Yeah.
That's gonna be easy to see though.
Not really though, because like it's gonna be the silver acupuncture will probably be.
Okay, now I'm gonna pick my fidgets and choose it. I picked the things that'd be hardest to find because I feel like this poppet will be definitely hard, and then this like acupuncture ring is small, so it'll be hard, and then these I feel like will just like I'll be blind and like these will blend in. So that's why I picked that.
It's like
Because we don't want that to get lost now, do
no,
we?
she's out for now.
Here, put it on my knee. Yeah.
Okay, actually I'll do this.
Is that a little boo-boo?
Yeah, I'll do this cake dimple.
Beautiful.
I'll do
This will be good to hide. Oh, these will both be good. These is this like a green kind of like teal kind of vibe?
I have this like infinity cube.
Perfect.
I have emoji.
Oh, blue and like yeah, blue vibe. Yeah. Okay, I will.
You can hide them first.
Okay, I will hide these first. I will. She's a cheerleader, if you couldn't tell. So she has been like dances. That's kind of cool. Don't look back. Do your jump. Beautiful. Alright. Let's keep walking. I want to have this look really good. Because this is one of the last ones. This one. I'm done. Okay. Do you want to show them your dance? Okay. Okay, we're gonna put the monkey back. Gonna put it over with this stuff here. And then, wait, let's, oh shoot, the video. Okay, and then the, like, marble mesh. I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna put it probably, I'm gonna push it. It's gonna go like there. I'm gonna cut it out. It did?
Yeah, so. But anyways.
You just restarted it and like
Yeah.
said,
Because they're Crocs, so we just want to.
yeah, I don't really have Crocs out like out like there in that area. This is such a good place. Yeah, this is such a good place. Monkey noodle! Monkey noodle, guys. Or guys, I found 3 out of the 5 things. I see it! Okay, this is the other thing. I'm gonna put those there because like, I know.
Right here.
So funny. Oh my gosh!
It really blends in.
Such a good Bro. Now I'm gonna go look for my fidgets. You said this would be a good spot, so I feel like you probably put something relevantly close over here. Okay. You didn't put any in the windowsill at home? No? I don't see anything! Probably did. Oh my God! I found a dimple. A dimple. Huh? Hey.
want a marble man. I found a global. I need 2 more. Am I close? Okay. Now we need to find an infinity cube and a mochi. Okay. I'm looking. I see it! I see a mochi. Yeah. Okay, from the mochi. Oh, I see the infinity cube! Cube. Oh, this worm. Okay, there's one. That was fun. What time is it? Okay, this is like the end of the video. So bye. Bye.